Welcome to this meditation designed to help you strengthen your focus and clarity. In this short practice, we will work on directing our attention to a single point of focus. Before we begin, know that it's perfectly natural for your mind to wander. If that happens, gently guide your attention back to the task at hand without judgment. Each time you do this, you are strengthening your mental focus just like exercising a muscle. Start by sitting comfortably with your back straight, your hands resting on your lap, and your eyes softly closed. Take a deep breath in, feeling your chest expand, and slowly exhale. Let your body settle into stillness. Now, bring your attention to the rhythm of your breath. Notice how the air feels as it enters through your nose and leaves through your mouth. I'll now leave you for a moment to focus on the sound of your breath. Let it become the center of your awareness. If thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them and return your attention to the gentle flow of your breathing. You are doing great. Each time you redirect your focus, you are sharpening your ability to concentrate. Now, shift your attention to the sound around you or the music in the background. Let it be your anchor, guiding you into the present moment. Stay with the sound. Immerse yourself fully in it. Each time your mind drifts, gently bring it back to the music or the silence. Allow this moment to deepen your sense of focus. It's time to bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a deep inhale, filling your lungs completely, and exhale slowly. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting your body. When you are ready, wiggle your fingers and toes. Maybe roll your shoulders and gently open your eyes. Be proud of your effort today. Every small moment of focus contributes to building greater clarity and attention. Carry this sense of focus with you into the rest of your day. Om Shanti.